In this video, we are going to learn how to use the chamfer command in NX modeling. So let's start. First of all, we have to just go to the chamfer command. Here, you will get the interface like this. In the cross section, we have three options which are symmetric, asymmetric, offset and angle. We will discuss all these three options one by one. So now let's start. First of all, we have to perform the selection for the edge. Now I'm going to select this edge. And here in this case, I'm going to select the symmetric option. In the case of symmetric, it will show you only one distance. It means that in the both direction, it is going to get traveled by the same distance. Like if I just put the value as 20, that means it is moving 20 vertical and 20 horizontal. I'm just going to click on apply so that I can show you. And in the case of asymmetric, it is going to ask you for two distances, which are in the case of horizontal as well as in the case of vertical. Now let's start. I'm going to select the edge, which is this one. And here I'm going to give the value as 15 so that we could have the visualization how this is going to get work. This is the distance 1 and this is the distance 2. Like if I just drag this, now you can see the distance 2 is increasing. And in this case, the distance 1 is getting increased or decreased. I'm going to decrease this to 18. Now just click on OK. So this is how we can apply the symmetric chamfer and this is the asymmetric chamfer. Just let me color them so that we could have the visualization in the graphics window. Just go to face and I'm going to select this. For the edit object display, we have the shortcut key as Ctrl+J. This is going to be yellow. And then this one. I'm going to take the filter as face and this is going to be click OK. Now this is going to be as brown. Now the brown face is the asymmetric one. This is symmetric one. We have given the value and in case if you want to edit those chamfers, just go to the part navigator history and double click on that particular command. Now you can see we can edit that particular chamfer. So this is how you can also edit them. The last option in the chamfer we have is of offset and angle. Now let's again go to the chamfer command. And here we have offset and angle. In this case, I'm going to select the bottom edge, this one. And here it will ask you for the distance and angle. In the case of symmetric, it is showing only one distance. In the case of asymmetric, it will show you two distances, one for horizontal and one for vertical. But in the case of offset and angle, it will ask you for the distance and angle. So here in this case, I'm going to give the distance as 20 and the angle you can see from here, it is picking the angle from this line. As you can notice that this is picking the angle from this vertical line and I can increase or decrease this particular angle like this. So I'm going to give the angle as 60 and click on OK. Now this face is going to be of magenta color. Now we have discussed all three types of the chamfer, which are symmetric, asymmetric, and at the last we have the offset and angle. This is how we can use the chamfer command. We can also apply the chamfers to the circular edges as well. Just go to the chamfer and here I'm going to select the symmetric type and this is going to be as 3 mm and then apply the chamfer. Now click on OK. So this is how the chamfer works on cylindrical edges as well. So this completes the video on chamfer command. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the chamfer command. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.